Shamrock Roofing and Construction started out in 1977 by my father. It was a small construction company. It was not designed or specialized in roofing. It was for all construction. Yes, we did roofing. Yes, we built porches and patios and framing homes and things like that. Then after he passed away in 2016, my mother asked me what I wanted to do with the company. And I said, I want to take it to the moon. And so that's what we prepared to do. But no matter what we did, it seemed like I was just hitting the 3 million mark, hitting 3 million every year. And then in 2018, I was working a hotel fire claim and had gotten sick from being there day in and day out doing the estimate from the char and breathing all that in. It went to my sinus infection and it went to my heart. Within 45 days, my heart had failed and I had to get a heart transplant. When Anthony Del Medico heard of this, he flew to Kansas City and to help the Shamrock organization. At that point, he came in for a day training and trained the team, and he provided the SVG U University training for all of our guys for a year. And so at that point, we implemented the training in all of our training. With that, there's a depth of library of videos of different systems, roofing systems, education systems, recruiting systems, marketing systems, evaluation systems, accounts receivables. So all of these packaged. It's a business in a box. And that SVGU had literally transformed Shamrock. So 2018, after Anthony came, we hit 5 million. And then 2019, we hit 7 million. And then 2020, we hit 15 million. We're on target this year for 30 plus million. We're at this point, year over year, 120% growth. In that process, we won the Owens Corning Platinum Expansion Award for the Midwest. We won the GAF Master Elite 2019 and 2020. We won the Beacon Construction Outstanding Vision and Leadership Award and the Roofing Shamrock Roofing and Beacon Lighthouse Award in 2019. So we're continuing to grow and expand. The manufacturers take notice and have seen this and the growth. And so where we just got done giving a interview where we're being spotlighted by Roofing Contractor Magazine for May and September, where we've been nominated for Roofing Contractor of the Year. And so this has been a testament to the team of Shamrock, the management team that we brought on, because I was in the hospital getting a heart transplant through this time and went through 4 open heart surgeries during this time. And what it has done is the culture through the company has grown throughout the region as we've grown to where it has enforced the team that they're able to do it without me. And it's a testament to them. And we're really fortunate for the culture, for Shamrock University, for Storm Ventures Group, for the SVG University that has helped give us the direction on where we need to go. So
SVG, when they found out that you were so sick with your heart, they came in and trained so that we could carry on while you were having to take care of yourself.
Yes. Anthony Del Medico got on a plane and flew out here right away. And he has past and had a success in the history. And he has an act for helping people. And so he created, in a very competitive environment, this basically a band of brothers that all come together, and it created like a family environment. And so when you go to a Win the Storm event, you make friends for life. I mean, friends that all come together, friends that are there for you when you're down, friends that when they hear that something's going on, they're there to pick up the phone and ask how they can help. And if you got a problem, even with a file that you're working on, you meet people there that are there to help you. And so it's just been a blessing that came out from there.